sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame. I will let you.
Hi everybody and welcome to S.B Natural Beauty. In today's video, I'm going to be recreating a very famous Valentino runway inspired makeup look which was done originally by Pat McGrath. I wanted to add a little bit of a twist to it, so I've added some glitter all over my chest. I've added a little bindi to bring a more South Asian element. In this video, I'm basically going to be playing around with different gold colored makeup and different techniques to try and achieve this look. And if you guys want to see how I finally did achieve this look, please keep watching this video. I'm going to start with the e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer. I want this to be a very full coverage look, so I'm making sure that I have a lot of moisturizer on. I'm just going to put this all over my face and then tap that into my skin. Then I'm going to be using a non-toxic glue stick and a spoolie just to block out and cover my eyebrows. I'm going to coat all of my eyebrow hairs with the glue, so I make sure that I go back and forth. And then I take the spoolie, bend it, and I start combing it upwards just to make sure it's completely flat on my skin. While the first coat of glue on the eyebrows is drying, I go in with foundation. I'm going to be using the Sephora Best Skin Ever foundation and a big buffer brush to just buff this into my skin. Once the foundation application is finished, I'm going to take some powder because now the glue must be a little bit dry, and I'm going to be powdering my eyebrows. Then I'm going to go in with the second layer of glue over the eyebrows that have already been powdered. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Ultra Creamy Concealer on all the areas that you would usually apply concealer, especially under my eyes and on any scars and acne around my mouth, especially because I've got a lot of hyperpigmentation there. Then I'm going to be using a smaller buffer brush to blend this out. After the concealer is done, I go in with my second layer of powder on the eyebrows and my third layer of glue over that. And I'm doing all of this with the glue cap in my mouth the whole time. To highlight and contour, I'm quickly going to go into my L'Oreal Infallible Concealers. I'm going to apply this on any highlight areas, and then I'm going to apply the contour concealers for my cheekbones, my forehead, around the bridge of my nose, just as normal. I'm going to be starting by blending out the contour with the smaller buffer brush that we used earlier for the concealer. And then I'll use the larger buffer brush to blend out my highlight. And you guessed it right, the next step is powdering my eyebrows. This is going to be the last layer of powder on the eyebrows to completely set it into place. And then I'm going to be using that lighter concealer we used to highlight over the eyebrows. I'm going to be blending this out with my finger and tapping it so that I don't make the brow hairs underneath move around too much. For cream blush, I'm going to be using this Sephora liquid lipstick, and I'm going to be putting this on the high points of my cheeks and blending it out with my fingers. This is when I realized that lipstick is probably a lot more pigmented than cream blush because that is turning me really, really pink. I like that look though. Little pink alien girl. Then finally moving on to the eyes, I'm going to be using this gold colored eye pencil to just mark out the shape that I want to fill in with gold. I'm going to be marking the shape out on my eyelid and on my eyebrow. Then I'm going to be using my really filthy Maron gold pigment and mixing liquid to just fill that in. I also line that with that gold pigment first, and then I'm going to fill in the blank spaces completely with that gold. This is such a beautiful, beautiful gold pigment. It looks like liquid gold. I'm going to fill the other eye off camera and come back. This is what it looks like, but I want more texture, so I'm going to be adding the NYX glitter all over that area that I've put the pigment down. I'm also going to be using another glitter eyeliner just to get into the very edges of this shape. To add more extra gold, I'm going to be using these gold stud stickers on just the top of my eyebrow, on the top of the lid part. That didn't feel like enough, so I'm using this chunky gold glitter all over the area where we already had the gold pigment. I'm going to be using this rich gold highlighter from Fenty Beauty. It's called the Trophy Wife Highlighter, and I'm going to be putting this on the high points of my face. As you can see, it's really, really gold. I'm going to be putting this on my cheekbone, my cupid's bow, on the bridge of my nose, and also towards the bottom of my inner corner. Going with the gold theme, I'm going to be using this gold colored mascara from Sephora. I'm coating my lashes completely with this mascara, as I'm not going to be using any false lashes for this look. For lips, I'm going to be using a brown lip liner. This, I realize eventually, is not the lip combination I like with this look, so I'm going to change it. After this brown lip liner, I use a nude lipstick, and I just realized that this lip combo is too cool toned for the look I'm going for, but you guys can watch the process anyway.
Fill me out with your smile. Now the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a
I tried to fix it. I added more brown lip liner towards the inside of the lips, but I wasn't liking the look of this, so I just switched it to a peach lip liner from Kat Von D. I filled my entire lips with this lip liner and added some red to the center of my lips. Then I went in with this clear lip gloss from Fenty Beauty all over my lips. I like this so much better. Then I'm going to be using this Trophy Wife Body Lava from Fenty Beauty just for my neck and my chest, and I wanted to finish off at that. I thought that would be enough gold, but then my big glitter was calling out to me, so I just picked that up with my hand and I pressed it onto my neck and chest. And that's the finished look, guys. This is a very gold runway inspired makeup look. I struggled a lot with this look, but I think it turned out really nice, so I'm going to be posing quite a lot so you guys can really look at it and enjoy my makeup look. And that's it, guys. That's my complete Valentino runway inspired makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe and share this video. And definitely check our website out, sbnaturalbeauty.com, which will be down in the bio. Bye guys, and see you the next time.